Wake up, bro. Today I'm gonna be telling you how I work out my forearms so that I can weaponize my human with giant clubs. Forearms are definitely one of the muscles that most guys tend to neglect, and this can affect your aesthetic as well as your strength. With small, weak forearms, you do not have the grip strength to perform heavy lifts to excel the muscles in other areas of your body. Without good grip strength, how are you gonna rep 405 on deadlifts? Without good grip strength, how are you gonna do dumbbell shrugs, weighted pull-ups, heavy rows, etc.? When you have small forearms, how do you expect to chokehold your enemy when they wrong you? I think you get the point that forearms are more important than you'd think. The 3 exercises that I'm about to go over requires that you keep your muscles under tension until you can no longer hold. Make sure to stick around so that I can tell you at the end of this video how to incorporate these exercises into your normal daily workout routine so that you can work these out and not neglect your forearms. The first exercise we will be doing is dumbbell holds. Simply just grab some dumbbells and squeeze them and hold them for as long as you can. Obviously, down by your sides where gravity will take them. Now focus on squeezing those dumbbells and gritting your teeth because your arms are gonna feel like they're about to explode. Now, if you're at the gym, you can just stand there or you can walk around. You may want to also adjust your wrists in different angles and positions so that it works out your forearms thoroughly throughout all of your forearms. But do yourself a solid and make sure that you don't drop the dumbbells on your foot when you drop them. Forearm exercise number 2. Body hangs. Now this one's simple. Just grab the pull-up bar and hang. There's a funny challenge going around YouTube right now where some guys will pay you $100 to simply hang from a pull-up bar for 100 seconds. Needless to say, not many can hang. Body hangs are awesome because you get to work on your grip strength by using your body weight, which is then going to excel you when it comes to working on other body weight exercises without grip strength becoming an obstacle. Not to mention, I am completely biased towards bodyweight workouts because only real men, alphas, and omegas work them out. No, I'm just playing, boys. Not really. Workout number 3 is going to be another bodyweight exercise, but surprisingly, these thicken your forearms very quickly. Handstands, but not just any old handstands. We're taking this handstand game to another level. Handstands on parallettes. Not only are they fun, make you look like a G, but you also get thick forearms because unlike normal conventional handstands with your hands pressed flat against the ground, you actually have to stabilize your entire body just using your forearm muscles. After about a month of practicing handstands on parallettes, I very quickly noticed both sides of my forearms getting a lot thicker, but not just that, the vascularity in both my arms were extremely prominent, especially after a solid half-hour handstand practice. I like to push bodyweight exercises and calisthenics simply because you can still achieve an amazing physique doing so, but on top of that, you also work stabilizing muscles that you wouldn't normally do in the gym when you're just lifting muscular isolation and doing the bro lifts. When you incorporate these workouts into your routine, I would recommend that you work them at the very end of your pull day. Now, a pull day just simply means you're only working your pull muscles. Your pull muscles include all of your back and your biceps. The reason we want to work out these muscles at the end of our pull day is because we want to have fresh arms when we're hitting our main lifts during that pull day. I suggest starting with handstands on parallettes up against the wall if you cannot hold yourself in a normal handstand. Then jump into the body hangs for as long as you can for a few sets, and then ending our workout with dumbbell holds until you can no longer grip for the life of you. That's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please go ahead and drop a like before you take off. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Remember, I've got new videos coming out every single day at 5 p.m. PST, so make sure you come back again tomorrow. Until then, stay fresh, stay unique, and don't let anybody bring your energy down. As always, have a great rest of your day. Peace.